Hello, 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 guys. This is Kuya D. Welcome back to my channel again. And today we'll be reviewing a very nice toy. A very nice and affordable toy I purchased online sa Lazada. Okay? So, without further ado, papakita ko na. One, two, three. There. It's the monster truck. Okay? Um, when I saw this in Lazada, actually it was my wife who saw this first. Sabi niya, uy, cute para kay Andre sa birthday niya. Okay, sige, sabi ko idagdag natin sa ibang gift namin sa kanya. Okay? Since baka sabihin niyo mayaman kami, may dagdag pa sa gift, no. It's just dinagdagan lang namin ng konti yung gift ni Andres because pandemic, wala naman pwedeng papunta yung bata. At the same time, hindi naman sila nakakalabas. So, ano mo lang, konting compensation para sa bata. There you go. Okay? But, wait. There's more. May red, may orange, and may purple pa. Yes. So, if you're wondering how much did these all cost me? So, this one, 45 pesos each. So, if you do the math, 90, 90, 180. Plus 40 pesos na delivery fee. So all in all, it's 220. It's not bad, 'di ba? Again, very um very good buy for a parent that has a limited budget, 'di ba? But at the same time wants to make their kid happy. Andre loves monster truck, so this is what we purchased him. Dun sa mga parents na yung mga anak nyo, alam nyo mahal na mahal yung mga cars or monster truck, this is a good buy. Okay? Bakit? First, ang nagustuhan ko talaga dito guys is yung wheel. Yung wheel niya kasi guys, pag tinignan nyo, ayan no, para siyang may mga thread talaga siya and makapit. Just a demonstration kung gaano siya kakapit. Tutulak ko siya. Ayan no, kumakapit talaga siya guys. Okay? Ayan, medyo kumakapit talaga siya. Unlike yung other monster trucks na toys, katulad nung one time sa Jollibee or McDonald's, yung orange na monster truck, um, hindi siya makapit. It's cute. Don't get me wrong, it's cute toy, but yung gulong ang pinag-uusapan natin, gusto ko to makapit. Okay? A demonstration kung gaano kakapit. Ayun, no? Nakita nyo? Umaakit talaga siya. Okay? Ayun, no? Kita nyo guys? Umaakit talaga siya. Kumakapit pala, I mean. Okay? So, that's one thing na nagustuhan ko dito. Number two, nakita na ko sa spring. Meron siyang spring, di ba? For a price, tapos may shock absorbers. Although, pag tinignan natin, it's not really, big of a deal yung shock absorbers niya, yung spring na ginamit. It's just, I find it cute kasi may shock absorbers, di ba? Now, the third one that I find interesting about this is yung color combinations. Bright colors, okay? Tapos yung combination ng cars, anong wheels and yung mag wheels, para sa akin, I really liked it. Okay? A demonstration again, bakit ano pa yung isang nagustuhan ko dito is, boom, 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 boom. When I showed this to Andy, Daddy, cool, he said. Cool. Diba? And another thing or another game that me and Andy play is yung head-on collision. Yeah. Demolition derby. Boom. In this case, panalo si Purple kasi medyo nakatayo siya. Mas nakatayo pa siya ng maayos, diba? So, another, ayan, it's a draw. Okay? Now, before I end the video, Okay, I will show you the car, the toy. Yeah, that's the orange one. Boom. This is the red one, purple one. Last but not the least, the green. Again, 45 pesos and 40 pesos delivery. If you just buy one, wala pang 100, it's not bad. Okay? Kasi pumunta pa tayo sa mall, magkakaroon pa tayo ng sakit, then let's just buy it online. Okay? Now, throughout the video, the pictures will be shown, yung screenshot sa Lazada. Okay? And at the same time, I'll be posting the link sa description field where I bought this in Lazada. So, you can purchase it anytime you want. Again, guys, Kuya D here. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification or the bell so that you can be notified kung may bagong toy review tayo. Okay? So, from stay safe, stay healthy, and all of you, God bless. I'll see you soon again. Bye bye.